Okay, guys, without much delay, let's analyze gold versus US dollars. Okay, so we're going to go to the top-down analysis to the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So obviously, all of you knows that gold has been pushing up for a very long time. Looking at the monthly time frame, you see that obviously buyers have been empowering the market. This is impulse. The last retracement took about two candles, right? This is the retracement, and then gold started pushing up. So buyers are empowering the market, right? So we go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's also very obvious. Or anyways, I was expecting the market to come to this level here, to come down to this level before another push up. But however, because of momentum from the higher time frame, the market was able to give us just a one candle retracement impulse. This is a retracement, and then the market started pushing up, right? So let's go to the daily time frame because we know from the monthly, the weekly, the market is pushing up. So it's going to be easy for us to look for setup in line with the trend of the market on the lower time frame from the daily H4, H1, M30 as the case may be. So we go to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, we see that the market obviously is giving us an uptrend vibes, right? Within this zone here, market give us this is a high, this is a low, and then market push up to create a higher high with an impulsive or strong momentum, with an impulsive move or strong momentum, right? So a lot happened also last week, but I wasn't on the chart throughout and this week, throughout last week. I mean, not last week, this week, right? That just finished. Today is Saturday, so I wasn't on the chart throughout. So it was yesterday evening. I started looking at the chart to see what has happened so that I can use it to build my case for next week, right? So a lot happened, a lot of trading opportunity, which I believe some of you guys caught the trade. Some students caught the trade actually on other pairs. So. We know what to look out for. Fantasy 5 is easy if you know the trend, if you can understand the direction of the market, clarity of the direction of the market from the higher time frame. You won't be guessing where to look for Fantasy 5. Even if Fantasy 5 shows against the trend, you know what is going on, you won't be able to take it because if you don't understand the trend, mostly you are going to be taking wrong setup, wrong fantasy five, and you say, oh, this strategy does not work, right? It works magic. There's nothing when it comes to price action trading. This is one of the best strategies so far, but it's also are going to be how you understand the trend, how you understand the market entirely different pairs also you really need to understand that, right? So now on the daily, we can clearly see that having understood what the market is trying to do from the higher time frame, we said buyers are empowering the market, which means that we should be looking for buying opportunity. And I can see a blind spot here from the daily time frame. So I'm putting my line here. This is a last bearish engulf where the market breaks significantly, right? So that is what we mean by a blind spot. So I'm going to put my line there as a blind spot. Also, I'm going to also look at the H4 time frame to see if we can see something that will align with the trend of the market as well. So here there's nothing here actually. So we are going to consider that daily blind spot as our area where we are going to be looking by next week to take a trade from there, right? So now can we also put other confluences? Even if we connect a trend line, we don't know how the market is going to do, but we can also connect our trend line right here. And we can also say that, okay, fine, the market is going to react from this point. This is where we are expecting the market to come and give us what we need to enter the market. So if the market comes here and then enter here, give us entry confirmation. We have to wait for entry confirmation because it's very important. And also the setup is coming from the daily time frame. You cannot just take a trade from the daily time frame directly, right? You have to wait for confirmation from the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes confirmation, and then we get into the trade to be able to have a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so now we have to also look for confirmation of this particular daily setup. So since it happened on daily, our confirmation is going to come from where? It's going to come from the weekly time frame. So looking at the weekly time frame, we have this momentum candle as confirmation. How? Why? Is it a confirmation? Look at how the market, this is the bearish engulf on the weekly, and then the market was able to close above this bearish engulf, telling you the strength of buyers that are ready to push the market up. So this is an inclusive with the full body. Look at the big body here. So this can be seen as a confirmation, right, as a confirmation to the blind spot on the daily time frame. So with this, if the market should retrace back to that daily Quasimodo, daily blind spot, is obviously going to be a good reasons to buy without fear of favor, right? So now, this is a setup. This is a quick analysis on gold. As always, I want to be making my analysis as quick as possible, because if you know what you're looking for, there's no need for you to, if you know what you're looking for, there's no need for you to be, to be is spending a lot of time on the chart. Fantastic five in line with clear direction or clear market direction is what all you need, right? So you need to know how to trade this thing in the right direction so that you can build your consistency. So guys, I believe you always learn from my analysis, even though I'm not dropping weekly every week. So each time I drop my analysis, make sure you watch the video, make sure you take it into consideration, make sure you use it to, improve your own analysis, use it to practice. Don't just watch. Forex is a game of practice. If you like, watch 10, 100 videos every day. Some people will say, oh, so I've saved all your videos on my phone and all of that. You can save them, but you can save them, you can watch them, but don't just save, don't just watch alone. Practice what you watch on the chart and see how market is moving in respect to what you have watched or what you have practiced. This is the only way that you are going to improve as a trader. Okay, like I said, without devotion, there is no transformation. No matter what you are devoted to, it is the quality of your devotion that will transform you. Guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace, guys. But don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is the only way you can show appreciation based on what you have been learning from my channel so far. Thank you, guys. God bless you all.